Hi, welcome to my channel. You probably clicked on this video because you have less than 10,000 followers on Instagram, but you want to learn how to do the swipe up option where it leads your followers off of Instagram. Is that correct? If you answer yes to that question, stay tuned and I'll show you guys exactly how I do it. Alright, so I know this is a little confusing and you're probably thinking, how can I even do this? Well, I'll show you guys how to do it, but I want to pause here and let you know there is a two-step process to this, and you will have to do an Instagram IGTV video first, and then we'll post it onto your stories. So I'm going to walk you guys exactly how to do this. Again, it is a two-step process. So first, what we have to do is record a 1-minute IGTV video. That is the minimum time you have to have for an IGTV video. And you're probably thinking, what am I going to record for a whole minute? Well, I'll show you guys exactly what I do. I like to make things very simple for my followers on Instagram, so I like to tell them exactly step by step what to do. I find that this makes it a lot easier for them since they have to go through 2 steps to actually get off the platform on Instagram. So take out your phone and we're going to record a short video. Hey guys, thanks for swiping up. There's one more step. All you gotta do is click that right there and it'll take you straight to the YouTube video where you can learn how to swipe up with less than 10,000 followers. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye! Now that you're done recording the video, go ahead and email it to yourself and we're gonna put this all together on the laptop. Okay, so now that we're on the laptop, where you're gonna go is canva.com. And remember that video that we just recorded and I told you to email it to yourself? Go ahead and download that video onto your laptop because we're gonna put it all together right here. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna go to Instagram, you're gonna search right here, Instagram stories, because this is going to be in your story. And you can just pick any template here. I'm just gonna choose a really simple template right here. And we're gonna use this template. And now we're gonna go ahead and go to uploads, and we're gonna go ahead and upload that video that we recorded onto here. So you can see my videos here that I recorded, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna drag the video and place it right there. So easy, right? Thanks for swiping up. There's one more step. Now, as you can see here, we have 47 seconds right now on this story, and there's other pages. So what we need to do is actually stretch this out to 1 minute. And I'm just going to edit some things here. Move some things around. And I am going to add an emoji finger, just like this. Tell them exactly where to go. There we go. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. And now I'm going to add another video that I did right here. And we don't need this. We're just going to make this a little bit bigger. Delete that. Align this. Okay, and then again, now we're going to edit these, and I'm just going to make it really simple. We're going to go ahead and delete all this, and we're just going to put right here. And we're just going to make this really simple and just put the finger right up there. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and delete all these right here. So what we're going to do is go ahead and copy this page until we get to 1 minute. All right, so there we are, 1 minute and 2 seconds, and we're going to download this. And after we download this, we're going to go ahead and email it to us so we can download it onto our phones. Okay, so now that we're in our Gmail, we're going to go ahead and press this button right here, the little arrow down button, and we're going to go ahead and download that to our phone where it's saved on our photos. And from here, we're going to go to the IGTV app right here. If you don't have it, go ahead and download it. We're going to press the plus button right here, and we're going to go ahead and download that movie.
Hey guys, thanks for swiping up. There's one more step.
We're going to press next, and you can choose your thumbnail here, and then we're going to press next. And the title here is going to be very important. You're going to push click here to watch video. And I'm going to put a little emoji hand down so they know exactly where to push. Right there. And here in your description is the most important part. You're going to put the link to wherever you're sending them. It might be to YouTube, it might be to your website, it might be to somewhere else. All right, so right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my YouTube channel to make it super simple, and I'm gonna go ahead and post it, and I'll show you guys the end result. All right, guys, now we're gonna open up our Instagram. We're gonna click on the story maker. We're gonna create, and we're just gonna put swipe up to watch my YouTube video. Or you can put whatever you want there. I'm going to put a little swipe up right there. And now is where the magic happens. You're going to click on the little link up there, click on IG video, click on the video that you want to add to it. You're going to click done, and now you're going to send it to your story. This is the end result. Go ahead and click on your story. And you can see it says swipe up.
Just swiping up. There's one more step. All you gotta do is click that right there, and it'll take you straight to the YouTube.
On the YouTube channel, and it takes you straight to where you want it to go. Voila, you did it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.